Your vehicle's braking system relies on clean, high-quality brake fluid to deliver the stopping power you depend on every day. Over time, brake fluid naturally absorbs moisture, which can cause corrosion of critical brake components, while reducing the hydraulic performance of your braking system, leading to a softer brake pedal and reduced responsiveness. GAP Brake Fluid Exchange Service removes contaminated fluid and replaces it with fresh, high-quality brake fluid designed to help maintain proper stopping power and protect critical brake components from moisture-related corrosion. The result? Reliable braking performance when you need it most. If your vehicle is receiving brake maintenance or repair work today, a GAP Brake Fluid Exchange Service can help protect critical brake components and maintain proper stopping power. And, for added peace of mind, when performed every 50,000 kilometers, GAP backs this service with a lifetime protection plan, covering up to $5,000. Ask your service advisor if GAP Brake Fluid Exchange Service is right for your vehicle.